Germany remains very key for us as a source market, prior and even during COVID. Last year, Germany was number 6 in terms of bringing us inbound traffic. And we believe now with Eurowings Discover, Germany will climb the ladder and hopefully be amongst the top 3. Because this for us is an endeavor and an undertaking that we want to make everybody stay here in Kenya stress-free, rejuvenating, so that when they come and experience the magical experience of Kenya, they live here with memories and know that Kenya is home, should be their second home.
And I have seen in the past months actually how the tourism industry on the one hand has suffered from the COVID pandemic, but also how excellent they have prepared themselves for welcoming tourists back to Kenya and how the protocols have been installed. So I'm very sure that everyone who is coming to this beautiful country on that new direct flight will be very safe and very welcome in Kenya, and the name of the airline, Discover, will enable them to discover the beautiful, magical Kenya.
Very thankful, the resilience from the German market, the support from the German market to the destination, and we hope to see the airline prosper because this destination is ready to receive you. We are COVID prepared, and your visitors will definitely enjoy their stay here in Kenya.
As Kenya Airports Authority, we are extremely delighted with this development. It does do us a real great favor in terms of promoting our business, international business, and also promoting tourism not just in Kenya but also in the region.